Today we're going to install a Mantus anchor guard on my bow roller. Since I have this curvature on the anchor, it bounces up and down. There's no way to lock it in place. I temporarily had put a bolt through here, but that worked okay, at least while we were in the Bahamas, but I was looking for a more permanent solution, and that seems to be it. So obviously Mantus recognized that need because of their new anchor that they did. Well, it's not that new, but I guess it's newer than the M1. It's an M2, and so when I do that, it'll keep this from bouncing up and down and should lock the flukes in place. That's the intent anyway. Luckily, I found Mantus has a product called their anchor guard. They have one for the left-hand side or the right-hand side of your bow roller, depending on what you need. I purchased the one for the right-hand side, and it mounts right here, right to an existing your bow roller bolt. I had to get a little bit longer bolt. I had to find one. And then it just sits here, and you can adjust the tension or where you want the anchor. And then I'll show you when it's installed. The anchor just rests right up against here, nice, secure, and doesn't bounce around. It shouldn't anyway. I've seen it on one other boat, and it looked pretty good. So that's what I'm going to do today. Take that out. I'm going to replace it with a longer bolt. Push it. Okay. So now when I lock it in, it's going to sit here, and I can adjust where it sits here by this thing. Just this bolt, the angle at which the anchor comes up. So I got to lock that in there first. Yeah, that's it. You just swap out the old bolt, which it doesn't come with it. So you have to find your own bolt. That's kind of it here. I'm gonna have to adjust it over there. Ouch. Is it in there? Yep. All right. Thanks guys for watching. This project worked out really well. I'm really happy, at least in the dock with the Mantus anchor guard. We'll see how she does out in real world conditions, and maybe we'll give you an update. Take care. Bye. See you next time. Like and subscribe.